Now to maximize your profile, here you can put your business bio, then your address, pretty self-explanatory, all this information. For the products and promos, if maybe you have a full script store or you have a download you want people to get to or something where you want them to take action, you can include that here and include that link there. I'm gonna keep this blank for this purpose. For your social media profiles, I want you to make sure you include the full link because that's the only way it's really going to work. Don't just put the name, but the full link. Okay, so we'll have update. That's going to be our profile. So now that's one and done. Then we come over into our templates. This is where you get to personalize it for your brand. So you'll see here, we have our template 1, the business colors, template 2, a few different options. Now your nurture series is only going to have the main intro part, and then the footer and the products if you do any of that. So you won't have, this is actually the full newsletter side, but you are customizing your template to look like and feel of your business. Now here I showed you one thing to note. Here's the logo with an image. Now, if you want something different, and this is where our system is so cool that it can be really customized for your business. Say, hey, I don't want my business logo showing. I don't want that image. I want instead my banner that I created from Canva. You can do it here, 600 by 200. That's what I want to show in my template. So you can come over here and voila, your banner, it will be showing as the header. And again, you can customize the colors that you choose. So template 1's one of my favorites, one of the most popular. Put your colors and move on. So we will move on. I'm going to save this and we are going to go to show you how to access and use the Nurture series. These, now you will see they are kind of like backwards. So do it however you want, but it's really made it super simple for you. When you hit this customize button, you'll come to this dashboard where you'll have your template. So we chose template 1, that's your welcome series. And if you have news and events, again, for the welcome series, I probably wouldn't do that. I would just keep it, you have your intro letter. Once you save it, I'm going to show you how it saves. And then when you view it, this is how it will look. How easy is that? When you are in MailChimp, in your MailChimp account, you will be able to just go in, make any little edits to it, and voila, you're done. All of your branding will be consistent, your messaging will be streamlined, and it will be effective. So I hope you're able to access, use, maximize this goodie that you are able to download. We have you can set up a free MailChimp account for your first 500 subscribers. So if you're new to this, go ahead and do that. You can, if you're not using MailChimp, I am sending out the swipe file of this. Also, if you are using another system and you're like, wow, this looks really cool, this customized newsletters solutions system looks really cool. I wish I could use it, but I'm not switching right now because I'm very happy with my service provider. I would really appreciate if you would send an email and let me know what service you're using, because we are looking to expand our integrations in the future and really discerning and looking to see what's that next step forward. So the more I hear back from users, potential users, what customers want, the better. If you are using MailChimp, again, there's a lot of great things, and Affy Academy YouTube has a lot of tutorials, and I'll be adding more to that. I'm going to be really teaching and helping people on board with MailChimp. So if they have any hesitations with that, reach out, let me know you need some access to more training tutorials, and I'll make sure to be getting that to you. So here, when you're going to connect your account here. So you'll connect your account to MailChimp, and that you should have seen a video for that. But once you hit login, it'll connect and sync your account there. So I'm excited that you're here. I'm excited about this new Nurture series we've released. I'm excited to share it with you. And I hope you're able to maximize and utilize everything. So in this nurture series, there are 6. There's a welcome email, there's an intro in your business, there's what to expect, and this is helping your users, your readers kind of get to know about you. Exclusive bonus of something that you give them, something special just for your readers. It's a whole guide of how to do that, of things to include, encouraging them to work together, and then a bonus here of reviews and referrals. Reviews and referrals are always appreciative for every business, any business. I would appreciate any reviews and referrals for this. If you are interested in upgrading to the actual customized newsletters content solution, send an email, let me know. I will be following up and sending you some no-risk trials, 30 days money back guaranteed of whatever you try. But right now, the goal is you get started, you get set up with your welcome intro series, nurture series. Let me know how it's going. I'm going to be checking in, and thank you so much for trusting me. Have a great day. Bye.